Boundaries. We all have them, but not all of us use them effectively. I'm going to talk about two different versions of boundaries. The first one is the really tightly held boundary, that one that we just will not move from. It's always been done that way, that's how we know to function, and that's what we stick with. That really restricts our growth and evolution. Then of course we have the other boundaries that we don't even pay attention to. They just like go out the window. And what happens there is that we just live to everybody else's expectations. And that can be quite draining because we just keep getting used and our energy just keeps being handed over to everybody else. So we have to find somewhere in the middle. Become flexible with your really tight boundaries and make sure you stay strong when it comes to boundaries and dealing with other people.